Huawei P50 Pocket is expected to be released on April 30, 2022. Expected price of this phone is $1,863. The smartphone company intends to release the P50 Pocket smartphone in the near future. Huawei is releasing its first foldable smartphone in a clamshell design. Let's get into the details of the specification. The smartphone will be powered by a Qualcomm SM8350 Snapdragon 888 4G chipset with a 2.84 GHz octa-core processor. In addition, this smartphone is equipped with an Adreno 660 GPU. The display of this phone has 6.5-inch foldable AMOLED capacitive touchscreen with a resolution of 1188 by 2790 pixels. The Huawei P50 Pocket will be equipped with a massive RAM capacity of 8GB and 12GB. The P50 Pocket's internal storage capacity is 128GB and 256GB, which is sufficient for storing a large amount of data for future use. The smartphone has a triple camera configuration on the back. The main camera has a resolution of 40 megapixels true chroma camera with f1.8 aperture, 13 megapixels ultra-wide-angle camera with f2.2 aperture and a 32 megapixels ultra-spectrum camera with f1.8 aperture. The front-facing camera is a 10 megapixels for selfies wide-angle with f2.2 aperture. To protect your data from loss, the phone incorporates a fingerprint sensor on the side. The Huawei P50 Pocket has a large battery S2. The Huawei P50 Pocket is powered by a non-removable LiPo battery with a capacity of 4000 mAh and supports 40-watt fast charging. Harmony OS 2.0 is installed on this phone. This smartphone also has dual SIM, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPRS, USB Type-C, accelerometer, barometer, color spectrum, compass, gyro, and proximity as well as other features. What are your thoughts on this phone? Leave your comments section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, as well as hit the bell button to be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.